The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, pakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point rewlak. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Fcra University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mawyong Rim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa, create, inspire.
Menteri rang bah kajala konrat ke sangma. Hakhmat artrik nailar aja apun riu ulong. Bakadei ke National People's Party Nyngkong na prenggiseng san partai hakajala Meghalaya bani ekran bu menteri ke sarkar pedeng Kirren Rijiju halo ke jingwan ra ke sarkar NDA belalam da ke BJP ban penbet thamai ya ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill arja pun riu. Habakaran sikilap sai khubor menteri rang ba ula penken mau bahakatu kapor bu yalam mikinomi khaman naga Catholic Bishop Conference of India bani ikendu Kirren Rijiju banyak keran halor ke Fcra. Bat ethuru basashi sien ulai lampan sekinang yalam jengki kenhun balang nakani ke jela Meghalaya banyak kendu menteri ke sarkar pedeng ubah kami ektanat kampu yeng Amit Shah banyak keran biang halor kani kamat hadian biki kenhun balang kilapan pau ke jing songkya halor ke jing penbet thamai ke sarkar pedeng ya kani kaan ula pensyai baka jing simkhia jong ka NPP ya kani kam kadai nama ka jing songkhia pat ka jing karpat jengki kenhun jat nyam bapher.
So when the bill was initially tabled, you will recall that NPP was in fact the only party that took up the matter at that time with Mr. Kirren Rijiju, and I had led a delegation of the CBCI, including the President and Secretary General of CBCI, to Mr. Kirren Rijiju's place. Even after that, I don't recall any other political party taking up the matter directly with the government and the cabinet ministers. After that, I had again taken another delegation from Meghalaya to the Honorable Home Minister, and post that move, then we saw other chief ministers and other parties and everybody move. So if there was any political party that took up this issue first, it was the NPP. And it's not because of any political point. It's just that we have a lot of closeness with different organizations, and when this information came to us, being concerned about this, we immediately reacted and immediately took the delegation. We are very thankful to the government that it has been now forwarded to the JPC, and we are hopeful that all the concerns that are there from different organizations and different churches, as well as other religious organizations also, will be heard and will be addressed, and we will be able to find a way again to ensure that the balance of regulating foreign currency at the same time not impacting the good work being done by a large number of institutes. This balance has to be maintained, and both sides should come out clear and should be able to achieve their objectives of, as I said, regulating foreign currency and at the same time allowing the ease of work when it comes to good work that's happening to these agencies to continue without any major problems.
Iperti yang tau ke Iwan, kuwi ke perom kuah kenai pi.
Iwan,ไปคอนแรมกว่าลายสกุลมั้งคนตอนฉันแน่พลังนี่ทำเป็นบทเองกินหลักพา
บนเส้นกิบรุงจุกลีพาเกียงตั้งกี่ขมัดพร้อมชนะยี่หยอกพยได้
còn Ivan ông rồi cái bên su gà gram mò tao đã bốn gà gram tem etir đi pi tao con đây nè
dạ khi biểu ngài nên mà em khi mà vào đây tâm anh em già hết
em sẽ là ngâm sang kêu vào cậu
Tapi ni perdi yang pi ke kuat ulai ni training ke boleh benai ni mata bau cina bau sains suruh.
Ngaku ahi amalai.
Tang hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa. Hikai gua Nyngkong daga sampel desain gua ar dah hikai daga desain mana je dia kan ya sampel desain.
Gini ke cek tu ram sarkar mah.
Kamu dah terang ngadu mesin dia sikit dah kamu kuat.